Hello and welcome back to FTx Academy. In this video, we're diving into the auto trigger campaigns and anniversary tokens. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our FTx POS YouTube channel and check out more step-by-step videos on FTx Academy. An auto trigger campaign is all about automation. These are campaigns that activate automatically based on the customer's milestones or actions, or when somebody signs up for your loyalty program. One important thing to remember when you're creating an auto trigger campaign, you have to choose either a coupon reward or a token reward for each type of auto trigger campaign. For example, you can't have an EAIV coupon and token campaign running at the same time. So a great use of an auto trigger campaign is anniversary tokens. On the anniversary of a customer joining the loyalnsave program, you can automatically reward them with tokens. For example, a campaign might reward 2,500 reward tokens to a customer as a thank you for being part of the loyalty program. It's a simple but powerful way to celebrate milestones and making customers feel valued and keeping them coming back year after year. Once logged into Control Center, click on the loyalty button, campaigns. For trigger type, we'll choose auto trigger, and for the reward type, we'll do the anniversary tokens. In the name field, we're going to write happy anniversary. Here's 2,500 bonus tokens to celebrate. Next, we'll add in our description. Both the name and description field will be visible to the customer on the loyalnsave app and on the web portal. With this campaign, it'll help your customer feel appreciated while encouraging them to spend those tokens on their next visit. Make sure you leave your campaign set to active. This will automatically trigger the campaign throughout the year. In the token reward field, you'll enter the number of tokens that the customer will earn when they trigger this campaign. Now let's set this to 2,500. Next, let's talk about the balance type. Think of this as a token bucket. When a customer earns tokens on this campaign, this setting decides which token bucket those tokens go into. You can set your balance type to the default token bucket unless this campaign is sponsored by a manufacturer. You'll also see an option for age-restricted topics, but in our case, we'll leave this blank, since this campaign triggers on the customer's loyalty sign-up anniversary and is not age-restricted. You can also select or add tags to identify and group each campaign. Tags make it easier to organize your campaigns and quickly find them later. For example, you might tag by season, product category, or promotion type. You also have the option to fill out your marketing tab if you want to target certain customers with this campaign. Next up, let's talk about campaign requirements. These settings let you control how your campaign will run alongside other campaigns. You could make a campaign dependent on another or block it if certain campaigns are already active. This gives you full control to avoid overlap or conflicts. But for this campaign type, we won't set any campaign requirements because this campaign will auto-trigger on the customer's loyalty sign-up anniversary. And that's it. Why use anniversary tokens? Because loyalty is all about building relationships. A small gesture like bonus tokens goes a long way towards making customers feel valued. So for this campaign, set it up once and let the system do the rest. For more loyalnsave training videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel FTx POS and keep learning at FTx Academy to earn cool certificates. Thank you for watching.